Hi everyone, it's Mike from Attention to Detail in Tempe. I had a question on my Facebook group on how to clean your windshield, getting those streaks off. Sometimes there's a film on the inside of the car from your air conditioning. It gets real streaky, it's real hard to get off. So that's real simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a spray bottle and you're gonna put half isopropyl alcohol, half water. Put it in a spray bottle. If you're gonna use it for the inside of your car, I get these cheap sponges at the dollar store. They've got a little kind of a plastic grit to it. If you're gonna do the inside of your windshield to clean that haze off, I would recommend covering your dash just so you don't get any overspray from the alcohol. You don't want it to stain your dash. What I would do is I would just lightly spray your towel, okay, and then just go over your window to get that haze off. Okay, get your towel in there. Spray it with the alcohol. That will get your windshield nice and clean and get that haze off on the inside from your air conditioner. Next, you're going to use a 2-towel method. That's what I use to clean windows. Now, everyone has a glass cleaner out there. I've been using Sprayway glass cleaner for many years. I started using it when a gentleman replaced my windshield, and this is the only thing he used. This is what most glass repair guys use, is the Sprayway. So we can use a 2-towel method. 2-towel method is, I have one towel, I'm going to wet down the window, then I'm going to follow it up with a second towel. So what I want to do is I want to spray it on my microfiber or my waffle weave towel. I'm going to go over the window, go over a couple different directions. Okay, and it may leave a little bit of a haze. Okay, if your window's real dirty, fold your towel over. You can see you got a little bit of a dirt here. Fold your towel over. Start on another side. Spray nice and liberally on your rag. Clean your window. And we're going to follow it up with a dry. This is my microfiber waffle weave. Okay. This is a waffle weave glass towel from Chemical Guys. I'll put there's a link to some Chemical Guys towels. This is a nice smaller one just for windows. You can get different colors, but it's rather large. So what I do is I fold it in 4s. What you can do is you can spray one side, do the inside of your window, flip it, and then dry it, or just use 2 towels. It's a great way to have a nice clean windshield, streak-free, and to get all those spots off. Any other questions? Send me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Hope you all have a great day and keep your cars clean.